Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Gears of War Reloaded not downloading or installing on the Xbox app or Microsoft Store in Windows 10 or 11. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection and enough free disk space for the game, then restart your PC and router before trying again. If that doesn't help, restart essential Xbox services. To do this, press Windows plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Locate services like Gaming Services, Xbox Accessory Management Service, Xbox Live Auth Manager, Xbox Live Game Save, and Xbox Live Networking Service. Then restart them and try downloading again. Another fix is clearing the Microsoft Store and Xbox cache. Press Windows plus R, type wsreset.exe, and hit Enter. A black window will appear, and once the Microsoft Store reopens automatically, restart your PC. You should also try repairing or resetting the Xbox app and Microsoft Store. Open Settings, go to Apps and Features, find both apps, select Advanced Options, and then click Reset. If that doesn't solve it, reinstall the gaming services. Open Windows PowerShell as administrator, run the following command, then reinstall by running this command. Restart your PC and try again. If the issue persists, sign out and sign back into the Xbox app or Microsoft Store using the same account that owns the game. Lastly, check Windows Update by going into Settings, selecting Windows Update, and clicking Check for Updates. Install any pending updates, restart your PC, and then attempt the download once more. These steps should resolve the issue, and in most cases, resetting the Xbox app or reinstalling gaming services does the trick. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.